What to do, YouTube? In this video, we're going to be breaking down my Tesla trade that made me $600 or 100% return. Let's get right into the video. Now, if you can't tell, I'm a little bit sick, so I'm going to try and speedrun this video. But if you stay tuned to the end, I record the live trade for once, so I have it all chopped up and sped up and everything like the last one. So you guys can stay tuned for that and watch and enjoy it. Let's just jump over to TradeZella. Alright, so this platform is called TradeZella. If you're not familiar with it, it's in closed beta right now, or you have to get off the watch list to use it. I finally got approved and I'm off the watch list, so I figured I might just start using it. And I think tracking your trades and journaling them is definitely a key thing that's helped me improve. So I might as well use this platform and make it worth my money. So pretty much on this trade, it was Tuesday, August 30th. It was an opening range break kind of trade. And if you're not familiar with the opening range, pretty much you just take the high of the range and the low of the range. And whichever direction it breaks to that, you just go, long or short. So in this instance, Tesla, broke to the downside. I went short. I got the 285 puts. Tesla was at around 285, so I got at the money or in the money pretty much. And then the next price target I had was down at 273. Tesla literally rode the 90 EMA the entire way down. It had all kinds of bear flags along the way. Bear flag here, a bear flag here, and then you had like about 3 or 4 bear flags on the way down 273. There was really no stress or panic in this trade. Either just held, and then, like I always say, it broke above the 90 EMA. I just cut the trade right here. I cut down here about 12.4 for one contract. I only had one contract. It was about 121% return, and my entry was around 560. So I made about 680 on the trade. Now let's just switch over to ThinkorSwim. I'll break it down a little bit further, and then I'll play the live trade at the end of this video. So now we're looking at ThinkorSwim, and once we switch over to the live trade, this stuff will make a lot more sense. Then this is all hindsight, me recapping it. But pretty much we had this kilo over here at 285.17. So once I saw that the opening range break to the downside, I went short right here on this big candle at 640. And then in the live trade, you'll see that buyers were stacking the bid at 280. And then when you finally got this breakthrough at 280, a huge volume came in. I even mentioned in the live trade that look at the volume come in. And then our target for the day was 273. And we came right down to 273. Then once you hit 273, sellers clearly stopped showing aggression. And then you broke with 90 EMA. It was time to cut. Simple as that, 100% return. And I mean, that was really all there was to it. I just followed the trade plan. My stop loss was above this high right here at 287.21. I was only risking $100 on this trade, and I made almost a $700 return. So about a 7-to-1 risk reward. And I'm gonna have to do it to you guys one more time. This was my reward on the trade, and this was my risk. This was my risk on the trade, and this was my reward. And this is why it's so important to have great risk reward. And like I said, when I took that AMD loss last week, losing money sucks, but I know following my strategy and having good risk reward setups like this, I'm only risking $100, make potentially 700, 600. I was up almost 850 at one point. I'll be good in the long run, so I don't have to worry about it. It's just light work. But I mean, that's all there really was to it. This bunch of stress-free trade. I just let it ride the 90 EMA down, break back above it, and took my profits for the day and moved on to the next one. So let's just switch to the live trade real quick. We'll get through that. And that's all I got for today. Right, so Tesla's just literally just around the 90 EMA the entire way down the 1 minute right now. Yeah, I posted that in the watch list. You're like, yeah, perfect bear flag. Also, Tesla's kind of breaking a bear flag on the 1 minute right now. Yeah, you see that bear flag breakdown? Look at that flush on Tesla. Like, all you gotta do is just look at volume. You saw that volume come in. It was reps on that candle. Yeah, I mean, 273 is still like what? Let me look. That's like another 2% drop. I mean, you're already down 2% a day. It could happen. Now, if you guys enjoyed this video, if you're learning anything, just drop a like and comment below and stay tuned for the next video. Thanks for watching.